Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at Dollar General with some great digital deals for you guys today. You don't need any paper coupons. All you need are your Dollar General digital coupons from the Dollar General app. We're going to get some food items. We're going to get some household items and just get a bunch of savings, guys. So get ready, get your Dollar General app, get your pencil, your paper, and let's get ready to save. Alright guys, are you ready? Do you have your pencil ready, your paper, your Dollar General app? And most importantly, I need you to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how you like the items in this video. Let me know what you plan on getting. Comment below. Let me know what your favorite deals are. And most importantly, I need you to subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends, your family, your neighbors. Text it out, message it out. Share it on your Facebook, your social media pages, your Instagram. We want everyone saving, and we want to make sure that everyone's able to make their dollar last just a little bit longer. So guys, let's get ready. Let's get ready to do our first deal. So our first deal is going to be on the Clover Valley granulated sugar. You're going to clip the $1 digital coupon that I have up in the corner. The granulated sugar is regularly priced $2. We're going to use our dollar digital coupon, and we're going to get our sugar for $1. Now guys, like I dropped the sugar. Like I told you guys in previous videos, when you are couponing and you are trying to save, you cannot be brand loyal. If you are brand loyal, then you're going to miss out on a lot of savings. I used to be a Domino sugar person until I started couponing, and then I got whatever was on sale. I have used this Clover Valley sugar, and to me, it is no different than the Domino sugar. So yes, I'm going to take a 4-pound bag of sugar from Dollar General for $1. Okay guys, we're going to go to our next deal, and our next deal is on the clover leaf flour, which I'm looking for. Oh wow, they only have one left. We're in luck. Okay, so we're going to get the Clover Valley enriched all-purpose flour. It is regularly $1.85. You're going to clip that 85-cent digital coupon that I put up there, and we're going to grab this 5-pound bag of flour for just $1. So we have a bag of flour and a bag of sugar, and we're only at $2. Sounds good to me. Let's move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on the Palmolive. You're going to make sure that you get the 18 fluid ounce. It is on sale for $2.50. You're going to clip the dollar digital coupon that I have up there. You're going to grab one of these, and it is going to cost you $1.50. So I'm going to grab one of these. Okay guys, we are at our next deal, and I'm loving this deal. I'm not a big Purex fan for my clothes, but I love to use Purex for my throw rugs and things like that, and my dish towels. So guys, this is what the deal is. It is buy one, get one free. Now you have to be careful when you're doing this deal. And guys, I don't own the rights to this music. The music is blaring in the store, so please forgive me. I hope that's not bothering you. But you're going to clip this buy one, get one free coupon. Now, make sure that you get this one, because it only works on this one. I've tried the other ones and it doesn't work. Make sure that you get the Purex Dirt Lift Action, Mountain Breeze, the 115 load. You have to get this one. And they are regularly $8. So you're going to grab 2 of these. Put 2 of these in your cart. And they're $8 a piece, so that would be $16. But at the register, you're going to pay $8, which is pretty good for all of that laundry detergent. Now we're not done here in the laundry aisle. I have some more things that I'm going to get, but I'm not sure if they are in stock. I'm looking for the all laundry detergent. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, so we're going to get the all pods, and they are on sale, 2 for $8. But we have a $4 digital, so we're going to get 2 bags for $4. So make sure that you clip that digital and grab the 2 bags of pods. We're getting a nice stack of laundry detergent, aren't we? Okay, now let's move on to our next deal. Okay, guys, so the last item that we're going to grab are the mini vanilla wafers. You're going to clip the digital coupon that I have up in the corner. It is a store Dollar General coupon for $1. These mini vanilla wafers are $1. So you're going to get these absolutely free, and you know free is our best friend. Now you may be wondering why I don't have this stuff in the cart. I accidentally deleted the last part of my video, so I won't be able to show you how it rings up exactly at the register, but we will go over the receipt. So in your cart, you should have the vanilla wafers, you should have the 2 purex, you should have the granulated sugar, as well as the flour, the Palmolive dish detergent. And let's go over my receipt. So the first thing that rang up was the sugar. That was $2. You see the store discount of $1 came off of that. Then you have the flour, which was $1.85. You have the 85-cent store discount come off of that, so that brings that down to $1. You have your Palmolive dish detergent, which was $2.50. You have the dollar digital came off of that, so that made that $1.50. The almighty packs, this is a little confusing. So you see they rang up at $5 there and $5 there, and then you have the store discount of $1 there, and then you have the store discount of another $1, and then the digital coupon for $4. The almighty packs are on sale 2 for $8. So that's why it looks a little confusing. They did ring up 2 for $8, and then you have your digital $4 coupon for $4. The Nilla Go Cups, you see they rang up at $1, and then the store discount is 99 cents. So really, you only paid a penny for those, but I still say that's free. Then you have the Purex, which were $8 a piece. You see the store discount of $8 came off of that. So my grand total was $15.51 plus tax. My tax was 81 cents. Know that your tax is going to vary from state to state, city to city, borough to borough, and township to township, wherever you live. But I saved a total of $17.84. So that is more than a 50% savings. Now, guys, this is an excellent deal. You know, I usually don't shop at Dollar General Saturdays with the 5 off of 25 because I like to make sure that all of my stuff is in stock. So that's why I usually go shopping during the week. But if you want to wait, go shopping on Saturday, use your 5 off 25, then you're only going to pay $10.51 plus tax. Again, excellent deal. And remember, don't throw your coupon away because your $5 off 25 will print. And that is for this Saturday. So go out, do your Dollar General deal, and keep on saving.